So students, as we've already covered in the previous video about past tense, that only just one form, that was simple past tense. So in this video we are going to cover the three types of tenses, past tense, that is past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. So now first look at what is past continuous tense. It is used to indicate an ongoing event in the past, something that is happening for a quite long time. So what is continuous form of a particular tense? Continuous form of any tense will indicate that a particular verb or work being done over a period of time. And always remember that whenever you're going to see this continuous, मतलब चल रहा था, तो always you have to keep ing form. For example, see, I was getting ready. Here what can you see? Getting, ing. For example, I was doing something and something else happened. That is also a condition. Now, it is used to describe an action taking place when another occurred. For example, while they were busy setting the kitchen, I was doing the bedrooms. There are two actions that is occurring in the past but happening simultaneously. ठीक है, दो actions हो रहे हैं, like while they were busy setting the kitchen, जब वो दूसरा काम कर रहे थे, what was he doing? He was doing the bedroom. मतलब दो काम एक साथ simultaneously हो रहे थे. Next, for an action that was taking place in the past when an interrupted action happened. While I was working on the laptop, I fell asleep. Here, you were doing something and it got interrupted by some other thing that came into the picture. Right? For example, while I was working on the laptop, what happened? I fell asleep. मुझे नींद आ गई. It is formed by using was, were and the past participle, that is the ing. So what is present participle? Present participle is ing form, and what is past participle? That is the ed form. For example, I was working. This is present participle. That means in past continuous tense, you're always going to have was or were, and then you're going to have ing form. For example, I was working. Now was is past tense and working, that is ing, that is the present participle. And the rule of this is subject, was, were, for first form of the verb, ing, and then object. For example, I was working in the hotel. What is subject here? I was working. Work आपका first form हो जाएगा of the verb, and ing is the present participle and then the object. For example, I was watching TV when she called. अब इसमें I was watching, was से you come to know that this we are talking about the past thing, and then coming to watching से हमें पता चल रहा है that is continuous form. TV when she called, जब मैं TV देख रहा था तो उसने मुझे कॉल किया. I was cooking and he was reading. That means again here it is telling you मैं खाना बना रहा था और what was he doing? He was reading. Then affirmative sentence, here subject plus was, were plus first form of verb and then ing. Then same in negative sentence, what is going to add here? Not. And in the interrogative sentence, like I told yesterday, here the subject is going to come later. First was or were is going to come, and at the last you have to put a question mark. For example, let's take an example. For affirmative sentence, example can be I was working. Then in the negative, I was not working. And in the interrogative, was I working? After that, you have to put a question mark. For example, see, there are more examples that I've written here. In the negative interrogative sentences, what you're going to do is, first were or was is going to come, then the subject is going to come, and then not is going to come, and after that question mark. Now coming to past perfect tense, like I told, what is perfect? Perfect means exactly in line according to the rules of or condition. So the past perfect tense in a sentence or conversation describes an event that happened in the past before another event was completed in the past. So it is started in the past and ended there itself. इसमें कोई भी इंटरप्ट नहीं करता है, और अगर कोई इंटरप्ट करता भी है तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट इट विल डेफिनेटली एंड इन द पास्ट ओनली, इन द पास्ट itself. And the conditions are, when we are going to use past perfect tense, indicate an event that has occurred and been completed in the past. For example, he had borrowed money from the bank to buy his new car. Second, describe an action that happened in the past before another action took place. For example, we had reached their house after the dinner was over. Now some work which started in the past, but there is another work that comes into the picture. The past perfect tense is formed by using had and the past participle ed form of the verb of the main verb. Like I told, the easiest, okay, I will give you one easy way to identify that, how you're going to identify that whether this is past perfect tense or not. See, in the continuous tense, you are always going to keep ing. So any perfect tense will not have ing form of the verb, be it past perfect tense or present perfect tense or future perfect tense. It is not going to have ing, even if you are talking about present, because whenever we use प्रेजेंट टेंस हम हमेशा ये सोचते हैं कि उसमें आईएनजी आएगा, बट पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस या प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस पे कभी भी आईएनजी नहीं आएगा. सो दिस इज द इजीएस्ट वे टू आइडेंटिफाई वेदर इट इज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस और पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. ऑलराइट, it is always going to have ed at the last or ad. That means वो बता देगा कि action has been completed in the past. These are the forms of past perfect tense. In affirmative sentence, subject is going to come first, then had, then third form of the verb. For example, I had worked. Negative sentence, subject plus had not plus third form of the verb. And the example here is, I had not worked. Coming to the interrogative sentence, again here had is going to come first, subject will be second, and then you will always put a question mark at the end. These are the examples. Past perfect continuous tense. See here, you're going to write in continuous tense. Again, like I told, wherever you're going to find continuous tense, you'll always write ing, and then perfect. Here, in all the perfect continuous tense, past tense, you will mention had been, and if it will be in negative sentence, then you're going to write had not been. Okay, so we have already studied about perfect. In perfect tense, the action is completed in the past itself. In the continuous, you will write ing. Here, this is something that started in the past and continued till another time in the past. For example, had been doing, had been eating. So, had been is going to come in past perfect continuous tense. Example, he had been drinking milk out of the carton when mum walked into the kitchen. So, here, something that started in the past and continued till another time in the past. Here the action, यहाँ भी action खत्म हो रहा है. I had been working at the company for 5 years when I got promotion. मतलब मैं कंपनी में 5 years से काम कर रहा था जब तक मुझे प्रमोशन नहीं मिला. तो इसमें again it is telling कि action has been completed. So students, this is all about past tense. We have covered the 4 types of past tense, that is simple past tense, which is also known as indefinite tense. Then we have covered past continuous tense, जिसे हम past progressive tense भी कहते हैं. Then past perfect tense, and the last one was past perfect continuous tense. Here always remember that we are going to write had been. Ram had been working 3 miles a day before he broke his leg. Now this is a form of past perfect continuous tense. Affirmative sentence, like I told here, had been in all the sentences, had been will come, and in the negative sentence you have to add not in middle, and the verb here, it will be the first form of the verb which you are going to use in the past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus first form of the verb and then ing. We had been working. The first form of verb is work, और उसमें we added ing, that became working. See, Ria had been playing. This is affirmative sentence. Then coming to the negative sentence, Ria had not been playing. Interrogative sentence, had Ria been playing? Question mark. And in the negative interrogative sentence, had Ria not been playing? Again, you are asking the question, but in a negative. Here you are going to get a negative answer. Okay, but also always remember that again we are going to put a question mark at the end. So students, this is all about the past tense that we are going to cover in this video.